Okay, Nobis Lights final. Nobis Lights or Nobis Rider 250cc all. Nobis Lights. So Nadia, Rayo, Anton Cortez, Ron Validor, Arwijan, Dave Imas, ayan na, binitawan na. Wow, hole shot. Hole shot, hole shot, hole shot. I think it's Anton Cortez. Hole shot. Hole shot, Anton Cortez. Ayun, no? Ayun, no? Hole shot. Second, Rayo. Third, it's Balaso and Ron Validor. Ayan, double. So, Anton Cortez nakagawas. Rayo Ipanac on second. Nobis Lights or Nobis Rider 250cc all. Ayan. Wow, wow. Wow. Ayan, Ron Validor, Balaso. Sama na isa. So, Dave Imas and Arwijan. Ayun, oh. Ayan, wow, nakagawas. Anton Cortez, Pride of Kiblawan, Javon del Sur. Ayan. Malayo na, Anton Cortez. Lumalayo na, Anton Cortez. Second, it's Rayo. Top section. Ayun, no? Wow. Second, Rayo. Ayan, Anton Cortez, Pride of Kiblawan, the bullet of Kiblawan, leading the lead. Rayo. Ayan, Rayo on second. Third, it's Ron Validor. Balaso. Sama na yung kalima, guys, wala okay lang. Ayun, no? Break away na by Anton Cortez. Second, it's Rayo. Ayan. Ayan. Rayo Ipanac on second. Anton Cortez leading. Ayun. Pambaka ng mga batang 14 anyos. Oops, overlap, 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 overlap. Overlap. Ayan. Wow. Dave Imas. Ayan na. Overlap, Dave. Ayun. Ayun, no? Wow. Ayan. White flag, Anton Cortez, white flag, white flag. White flag, white flag. White flag, white flag. And Rayo. White flag, last lap, last lap. White flag. White flag. Waiting for champion Anton Cortez of Nobis Lights or Nobis Rider 250cc all. Ayun, no? So, waiting for checkered flag, Anton Cortez. Champion of Nobis Lights. Yan, champion Anton Cortez. Second, Rayo. Checkered flag, checkered flag. Yan, host got third. Host got third. I think it's Ron Validor. So, thank you for watching, guys. Please share this video. So, thank you, thank you. Dave Imas. Dave Imas. Yun. Checkered, checkered, checkered.